Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered why it's blue? It's a question that has fascinated people for centuries. We see it every day, this vast expanse above us. But have you ever stopped to think about what makes it that beautiful blue color? Well, the answer lies in a fascinating interplay of light, air, and a phenomenon called scattering. It's like a beautiful dance happening high above our heads, painting the sky in hues of blue. Intrigued? Let's delve deeper into this celestial marvel. The science behind the blue sky is not just fascinating, it's also a testament to how much beauty exists in the everyday workings of our universe. So, buckle up as we embark on a journey to understand this everyday wonder. Light, as we see it, might seem simple, but it holds a hidden rainbow within. When sunlight, which appears white to our eyes, passes through a prism, it splits into a spectrum of colors. Remember the colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. That's the hidden spectrum of light. Each color travels in waves, and each color has a different wavelength. Red has the longest wavelength while violet has the shortest. This difference in wavelengths plays a crucial role in how we perceive the color of the sky. Surrounding our planet is a blanket of air called the atmosphere. Think of it as a giant dome protecting us from harmful radiation from the sun. But this protective layer is also responsible for the blue hue we see above. The atmosphere is made up of tiny particles like nitrogen, oxygen, water droplets, and dust. When sunlight enters the Earth's atmosphere, it collides with these particles. And this is where the magic happens. When sunlight hits these atmospheric particles, it gets scattered in different directions. This scattering, known as Rayleigh scattering, is more effective at shorter wavelengths, like those of blue and violet light. Imagine a ball bouncing off different objects. Smaller objects tend to scatter the ball more erratically, right? Similarly, blue and violet light, with their shorter wavelengths, get scattered more by the tiny air molecules, painting the sky with their hues. Section 5. Why not violet? Unraveling the mystery. Now you might wonder, if violet light has an even shorter wavelength than blue, why isn't the sky violet? Well, that's because, for starters, the sunlight that reaches us doesn't have as much violet light compared to blue. Secondly, our eyes are more sensitive to blue light than violet. So even though violet is scattered more, our eyes perceive the sky as blue due to the combined effect of scattering and our eyes' sensitivity. Section 6. Colorful skies beyond, a cosmic tapestry. Interestingly, the sky's color can vary depending on the time of day and atmospheric conditions. At sunrise and sunset, the sky appears more reddish or orange because sunlight has to travel through more of the atmosphere, scattering away most of the blue light. Did you know that on Mars, the sky appears reddish due to dust particles in its atmosphere? Imagine that! Different planets, different atmospheres, different colored skies. Section 7. From science to sight, practical applications. Understanding Rayleigh scattering is not just about appreciating the beauty of the sky, it has practical applications too. For instance, it helps us develop better cameras and lenses that can capture clearer images by accounting for atmospheric scattering. Even weather forecasting relies on the principles of light scattering to analyze atmospheric conditions and predict weather patterns. Section 8. Curiosity knows no bounds. So the next time you look up at the sky, remember the fascinating journey light takes to paint it blue. Ask yourself, what else do you wonder about the world around you? The sky's the limit when it comes to curiosity. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Let's explore the wonders of our universe together. Section 9. A final gaze upwards. In conclusion, the blue sky is a beautiful reminder of the intricate workings of our universe. From the nature of light to the composition of our atmosphere, everything plays a role in creating this breathtaking spectacle above us. So the next time you're feeling down, look up and let the vastness of the blue sky remind you of the infinite possibilities that surround us.